Hi! In this video, I will show you how to sell baby Doji coin on Trust Wallet. So in order to do that, what we can do first is to make sure to open your Trust Wallet and make sure that you have baby Doji coin available. Now, once you have done that, select your baby Doji coin and then go to DEX. If you don't see a sell option, use the built-in DEX by tapping on the browser tab. Access the pancake swap in the browser, just click on this and then connect the Trust Wallet with pancake swap. Select the tokens, which is the baby Doji coin that you want to sell, and select a token that you want to receive, for example, USDT. Now confirm the swap from that, reset the amount, and then enter the amount, and then adjust slippage of around 12% if necessary. Confirm the transaction, and then check if your wallet, if you actually got the new token or the amount that you have successfully swapped and sell. So that's how you sell baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. I hope this video helped you out.